Welcome to the second video of how to use Qualtrics. Today we will talk about routing in a survey, and I will tell you how to use skip logic or display logic. But before we do so, I will first show you that we have created a complete survey. So as you can see, we had the question from last time, so about the hub radio. Now I've added a concept question, so the concept of happiness and how to measure happiness. This concept is created from the Oxford Happiness Questionnaire. There are more questions, but to show you how it's done. Furthermore, I added some video elements in there, brand perception questions, and of course the demographic questions, which are important in your survey later on. And at the end, we have the end of the survey. But let's get back to the question routing. And the first question that needs some routing is, do you want to participate, yes or no? Click on the wheel on the left hand side in the question, go to add skip logic, click on add skip logic, if the condition is no, then I will skip to the end of the survey. I click done, and as you can see at the bottom of the question there is some logic added. To test if the logic is properly working, I'm gonna use preview. Do I want to participate in the survey? No. Click next, and I made a link to the hub website. So let's close this website again and go back to our original survey. Of course, I also need to test what happens if I'm saying yes. So click on preview again. Yes. Next. And now I see two questions. Do you know about the BUS hub? But if people say no, they probably don't want to answer the question how often they listen, how often they read, and how often they visit the website. So here I will put some logic in there as well. Close preview. Okay, if this question has been answered with no, I don't want to show question 4. But in this case I select question 4 as option to change something, and I will add some display logic. Click on display logic. If question 3 has been selected and question 3 has the answer no or yes, then I want to show the question about using BUS hub. Again, we need to test. So go back to preview. Yes, I want to participate. Next. Yes, I know about the BUS hub. Next. And now I get the question about listening, reading and visiting. So this is working properly. Close preview. Or restart view. Survey. Do you want to participate? Yes. Do I know about the BUS hub? No. And now the question has been skipped. And I immediately go to the happiness question. Close preview. This was the end of this tutorial. So I hope you will be able to work with routing in Qualtrics. Good luck and see you next time in my video tutorial.